Today's featured car is a 1964 through 1967 Sunbeam Tiger Mark I with the 260 cubic inch Ford V8 engine and one of 6,450 made between 1964 and 67 by Sunbeam or Roots in UK, England. And this one, the 260 V8, put out 164 brake horsepower and did 0 to 60 in 8.6 seconds and a top speed of 120 miles an hour. And when they came out with the Mark II model in 1967, that one they only made 633 of them. That had the 289 Ford V8 engine in it. And that one went 0 to 60 in 7.5 seconds. And the top speed was increased to 122 miles an hour. Unfortunately, at that point, Chrysler purchased Roots, who owned Sunbeam, and they didn't have an engine that they could put in it. So unfortunately, that was it for the Sunbeam Tigers. They were out of business. Originally, it was between Shelby, America, and Roots in England. They decided to put the small Ford V8 engine in it and sell it in U.S. only. And they did sell a few cars in England, but not many. Most of them were sold in America. And the total production was 7,128 cars between 1964 and 1967. And this one I filmed at my classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was a good-looking car in the green. Had a roll bar in it, so it looks like he's doing some racing with it. But that's today's featured car of the day, a Sunbeam Tiger between 1964 and 1967. Not exactly sure what year it was. It's kind of hard to tell them apart. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.